This video shows you how to use this cheap little aux cord to RCA jack cable in a Suburban 2008 or Tahoe or any GM vehicle, I guess. So in this rear DVD sort of area or the back of the car, you've got this whole control center deal, and there's three jacks right there, yellow, white, and red. So you plug that into the cable into there. All right, and then this would plug into your phone, headphone. I'm just using my laptop because I'm using my phone to video this. All right, so plugged in, and then what you do is you come over here and hit aux. There it is.